Hey there, folks. If you've ever wondered how to move money from your Discover Bank account to another bank, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a simple, step-by-step guide that will have you transferring funds like a pro. Whether you're paying off a loan, sending money to a friend, or just managing your finances, this process is straightforward and secure. Let's get started. First off, make sure you have everything you need. You'll require access to your Discover Bank online account or mobile app, along with the recipient bank's routing number and account number. It's also a good idea to check for any transfer limits or fees that might apply. Discover Bank typically allows free transfers, but always double-check. Step 1. Log in to your Discover Bank account. Open the website or app and enter your username and password. If you're using the app, make sure it's updated for the smoothest experience. Step 2. Navigate to the Transfers section. Once logged in, look for the Transfers or Move Money tab. This is usually found on the main dashboard or in the menu. Step 3. Add an external account if it's your first time. Click on Add Account and enter the details of the bank you're sending money to. You'll need to verify this account, which might involve a small test deposit from Discover. Step 4. Initiate the transfer. Select the amount you want to transfer, choose the accounts involved, and set the transfer date. Most transfers process within 1 to 3 business days. Step 5. Review and confirm. Double-check all the details to avoid any mistakes, then hit confirm. You'll get a confirmation email or notification once it's done. A quick tip. Always monitor your accounts after the transfer to ensure everything goes smoothly. If you run into any issues, Discover's customer support is there to help via chat or phone. There you have it. That's how you transfer money from Discover Bank to another bank. It's easy, right? Give it a try and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more financial tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.